Hey everybody, I'm going to start by showing you the painting from video 278 where I sandwiched the flip cup in between the white. I'm trying to get a good shot of it. I am totally undecided about this one. It's kind of blah color-wise, but yet the cells are fascinating. I feel like it would be a background for something, but I don't know what. I really don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, although it's interesting to look at. And the good news is because I thought it was too thick to let dry, but I left it and no cracking, no dimpling, no anything. So it dried really, really well. So that's good news. I was happy about that. So I shall move that out of the way. And, all right, looks like, let me make sure I can, oh, yeah, I have the stand in the tray again, which actually makes it kind of, as usual, technical difficulties. Okay. So today I want to do, and I think I've tried this before. Oh, I got to tape. This is MDF that somebody cuts for me. So while I'm taping, I'll tell you what I'm thinking. And I think I've done this before. I want to cover about 3/4 of the canvas with white. And then I want to use that 1/4 of a canvas and do a flip and drag that I then partway drag into the white. And it sounds like something I have tried before, but I'm not sure. Or maybe I did try it and it didn't work, which could very well be. But I'm going to try it again. I really like the idea of the sandwich flip cup from that other pour. And that could be cool because, I have trouble with dark negative, like my black negative space pours. I have trouble. I can never see the other colors and stuff. But I kind of wonder if I did it like that, if it would show up more. So that could be neat. And I wonder if, I don't know, I just feel like there could be some really cool things done with that idea. So I just have to decide what those cool things are. The cool things. Because we all like cool things, don't we? All right, I am just going to go like, so just try and remember I can only touch the edges. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of Grumbacher Mars Black. This is my, oh, I am freezing all of a sudden. I just got the chills. Magenta, red, and orange with the iridescent medium and silicone. Artist Slough Deep Yellow. Self-mixed green. I have really no idea what that is. Because somebody asked and I was trying to think about, because this is another self-mixed green. So I don't know. I don't know if this is just more of that, just more white. I honestly don't know. And I use this 1 ounce flip cup. And actually, it's from a pour 2 days ago, but I had it sitting like this in my tray. And so everything just fell right out of it. And this is just dry, and it's not going anywhere. So, perfect. I can reuse it. And I want to apologize for yesterday's, at the beginning when I talked about some negative comments about my chit-chatting, because I don't like to focus on the negative because there's enough negative crap anyways. So I apologize for bringing that up because there was no need to call attention to it. And that's just not me. And plus, like today I made a cool new friend. Judy, if you're out there, from South Carolina, I believe. So, like, I'm making cool friends everywhere. So, but just like a cool idea, cool paintings, it's you cool people. Because I'm totally 10 years old. All right. Oh my gosh. Speaking of chit-chat, worthless chit-chat, I actually made dinner tonight, so I kind of want to brag on that. I feel like I should get an award. It happens so infrequently. Ugh. Okay. I didn't even paint yesterday. I haven't been painting as much lately. This is my fun life, but real life keeps making me do things. I do not know why I did not. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm getting paint all over this Liquitex. This is a pouring medium, the thing I'm on, which I don't even use. What is this? My turntable is dragging. I got 2 turntables and a microphone. Where's that? All right, now I got Beastie Boys. You know, and I did promise somebody that I would never sing on my channel. But Beastie Boys were on the radio this morning, so they must just be stuck in my brain. Because I don't listen to them. I mean, anymore. Unless it's playing on the radio or something. I was listening to Pandora taking the dog on a walk yesterday, and it was, what's his name? Will Smith, The Parents Just Don't Understand. From, back in the day. It was hilarious. I didn't realize how annoying that song was. But, I mean, I had to listen to it all the way through. Just for nostalgia. Pretty lame. Alright, I realize you probably can't see what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, I don't think I can get this lid off the black. Girl! I think I'll be throwing that away. Actually, I'm not even sure. Oh, there's a little bit in here. Well, now I have, take it from me, Parents Just Don't Understand. Stuck in my head. I'm my own worst enemy. Alright. So flip. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so I'm actually going to kind of way awesome. Super neat. I love that. Vivid. I'll tilt it and I can always add, well, no, I can't add more. I'd have to mix more black. I love the colors. I can, hopefully I have enough. I'm having a hard time holding on to this. You know, and I'm doing my finger on here because it's okay if it changes the pattern. Oops. Just making sure right now that all these edges are covered. And I'm actually going to use the straw to get this out into the white a little bit. Okay, this does not have any paint right there. There we go. Look at all these cells going crazy. Don't like that all the way there. I absolutely love this. Look, every time I just touch it, look at these cells. They are so cool. Let's see how much is in. You know, if the one the other day didn't crack, then this one shouldn't either, I wouldn't think. Just covering up a bunch of bald spots. Oh, I am really liking this. Let's torch it a little. Because when you use the straw, you're going to get tons of air bubbles. I want all these little white cells. All right, so this is the direction I was looking at it in. So that's the one that I will show to you. I'm really happy with this one. Surprising myself using different colors, but I really like it. It's very awesome. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and click like and share with your friends, and I will catch you next time. Bye.